Hey, what's going on, everybody? I want to show you this amazing 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, fully renovated home for sale in Elmwood Park. This home is practically new construction with a new roof, new siding, new electrical, new plumbing, new HVAC systems. You're gonna love it. It's been updated throughout. I can't wait to show you. Let's go inside. Once you walk into this house, you will say, wow, because it offers a huge open floor plan with hardwood flooring throughout the entire first floor. You will also fall in love with this spectacular kitchen. It offers a large breakfast bar area with quartz countertops, an island, stainless steel appliances, brand new soft close cabinetry. What else can you ask for? If you have any questions about this Elmwood Park home for sale, feel free to contact me at the information below. My name is Josh Wingles with eXp Realty, and I'll see you at the next virtual tour.